Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Abhijit. Today I am telling about sets in an easy way, friends. First we should learn about introduction of sets, friends. First I will tell the introduction of sets. In mathematics is all about numbers, friends. Time to time we have to group numbers. For example, factors of 6, we know that 1, 2, 3, 6, and factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. It is easy way to remember, friends, but what if we have to write a large number of numbers like natural numbers? So for that, sets can help in representing of any numbers of numbers, guys. Factors of 6 can be represented by the sets 1, 2, 3, 6, friends. So like that, the set of all natural numbers are written as n equal to flower bracket and 1, 2, 3, so on, etc., friends. We can say that 1 belongs to n as 1 is a natural number, friends. Mathematically, it can be represented as 1 belongs to n, friends. This is the symbol of belongs to, friends. And in mathematics language, set is defined as a set is well-defined collection of objects where nothing but numbers or elements in the set, friends. Here you can observe a set well-defined collection of objects. Object means nothing but numbers or elements in the set, friends. Example, A equal to given set 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 are known as objects of set A, friends. A set has to be well-defined that we should be able to say whether an object belongs to a set or not. Set can be well-defined in two ways, friends. Defining whole set, for example 1 to 10 is well defined as we can say 1 to 10 belongs to set and rest are not, friends. For example, very large numbers are there, friends, 1 to 10, 11, 12, like that. In that 1 to 10 belongs to one set, remaining all we don't know. That is one way to represent, friends, sets, friends. That is called roster form, friends. In roster form, objects are separated by common and enclosed within brackets. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Flower bracket is very important, friends. And the second method is defining common properties of objects in a set. Factors of 6 of well defined as we can say 1, 2, 3, 6 belongs to a set and remaining not. We can repeat set with objects having common properties using set builder form, friends. Here we can observe the first property is roster form and second property is set builder form. These are the two forms to represent the set, friends. I will tell in detail, friends. This is set builder form, friends. Factors of 6 we can write as x is to x is a factor of 6 is read as set of all x such that x is a factor of 6. Here we should understand x is belongs to 6 and another x is belongs to factors of 6. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6 all belongs to x and second x only one number 1 or 2 or 3 or 6 and x is to x means is a factor of 6 is read as set of all x such that the x is a factor of 6. Like that we can read, guys. We can write a set in both forms. I told before only, friends. Set of natural numbers less than 5 roster forms. The given means 1, 2, 3, 4 because natural numbers less than 5 means 0 will be not there, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the answer and bracket is important. In roster form means simply you should wrote the numbers what they gave. They gave set of natural numbers less than 5. You should write 1, 2, 3, 4 because after that they all are greater than 5. This is one form and set builder form is another form, guys. In this x is to x less than 5 and x belongs to n, whereas set of all x such that x is less than 5 and x belongs to natural numbers. I told here only, guys. One x is all 1, 2, 3, 4 and another x is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. In that, guys, the 4 are less than 5 and x is belongs to n. N means natural numbers, guys. We have some conventions to use sets, guys. Some properties. Sets are always usually denoted by capital letters, guys. We should not use any small letters. For example, A, B, C, X, K, L, all capital letters only, guys. Second point is numbers don't have to be particular order. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, 4, 3, 1. It is not necessary to keep in order, friends. They gave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means you can write 2, 5, 4, 3, 1 also. There is no objection. Third point is in sets, objects should not be repeated. Example, set of digits in 9, 114, 149. This is very important point, friends, because in set they will give represent 9114 in set. They give means you should not write bracket 1149. You should write only 149, guys, because in sets same number should not be repeated. If it repeated, that is wrong, guys. So you should repeat only 149. This is main point, guys. And going to another page, this is another subtopic, guys. Representation of sets, guys. Example, set of all months in an year. You should represent means in two forms you should represent, guys. One is roster form, another is set builder method, guys. First one I told, roster form means simply writing what they give. In the set of all months in a year means in roster form January, February, March, April, May, June, etc., December. That is roster form, guys. In builder form means X is to X. X means this all. Another X means one particular January or February, means all 12 months is to any one, is a month of an year. For example, another example, guys, set of all days in a week. In roster form simply you will write Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, so on, Saturday. And in set builder form you will write Y is to Y is a day of the week. Y means this all 7, and another Y means particular Sunday or Monday or Tuesday or Saturday or your wish, guys. I will turn the page, guys, and I will tell one application, guys. This is one another example. This is an application. Here they will not give roster form, guys. I wrote answer here. In question they will not give roster form. You should only find they will give set builder form, guys. Alpha is to alpha is a root of x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. They will give, guys. You should find the roster form. How to find I will tell, guys. Alpha is to alpha is a root of x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. They given, guys. First you should factorize the given equation. X square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. You factorize means you will get x minus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. Either you will get 1 or 2, the answer, guys. So alpha equal to 1 or alpha equal to 2. So the answer equal to alpha equal to bracket 1 comma 2, because alpha value 1 or 2. In roster form you will write simply 1 comma 2. So, but in set builder form alpha is to alpha. Alpha means 1, 2. This alpha means either 1 either 2. Your wish, guys. And this is another subtopic, guys. Operation of sets. There are 5 different operation of sets, guys. There are complement of sets, union of sets, intersection of sets, difference of sets, symmetric difference of sets. One by one I will tell, guys. First I will tell complement of sets, guys. Complement of set means first you should learn definition, guys. Complement of a set is set formed by those elements that are present in universal set but not in the set that were taken or that complement of. Don't confuse, guys. I will tell. Union means universal set means another set, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. A means one set. These two sets will be there, guys, in that. So the complement of A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, guys. How I will tell. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 there, guys. Here 2, 4, 6, 8 there, guys. We should not compare this, guys, because here 2, 4, 6, 8 is there, guys. In this set 2, 4, 6, 8 should be not there and remaining numbers should be there. That is complement of A. Complement of B means here B set will be given, guys, and complement of A is represented as like this, guys, and the complement of A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. A numbers will disappear, guys, and N of A, you know that, guys. N of A means 4, number of elements in A set, guys. N of U means number of elements in universal set. N of A power C means number of elements in complement of A equal to 10 minus 4, 6. Because this set is big, guys, this set is small. So 10 minus 4, 6, guys. And this is one important formula, guys, you should remember. N of complement of A equal to number of elements in universal set minus number of elements in A set, guys. So complement of set completed, guys. Now you should learn union of set. Union of set, guys. Union of set means union of a set is set formed by taking all the elements of two sets and discarding the common element. Here the definition is, suppose they gave A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, guys, B equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, and union symbol is represented as like this, guys. And A union B means, first you should write all the elements given, guys, 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 6. You should discard the common elements here, guys. Here 2, 6 common elements, here 2, 6 common elements. So here 2 came 2 times, guys, 6 came 2 times, guys. So you should write only one time. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 3. Here you saw 2 times came, 6 2 times came. But union of set means you should write only one time, guys. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 3. A union B means equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6, 8, guys. This is A union B, guys. I told about union of set, guys. Now I will tell intersection of a set. Intersection of two sets means the set consisting of all elements that are present in both A and B sets, guys. Intersection symbol this, guys, reverse of union. For example, A is 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is 1, 2, 3, 6. A intersection B equal to 2, 6, guys. In previous case you wrote only elements, guys. You cancel common elements, but here you should write only common elements, guys. Quite opposite to this two, guys. Here first you should mix these two, guys. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 6. Here 2, 6, 2, 6 common, guys. So you should write only 2, 6. But in the above case you should delete 2, 6 and write all that. And here you wrote only 2 and 6. That is the difference between union of two sets and intersection of two sets, guys. Now intersection of two sets completed, guys. Let's move to difference of sets. Difference of set means the set consisting of all the elements present in A but not in B, guys. For example, A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, B equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, guys, and A minus B equal to 4, 8, guys. Here A minus B equal to 4, 8, guys. Why? Because I will tell, guys. Here the definition is the set consisting of all the elements present in A but not in B. They told the set A and the B are two sets are there, guys. In that 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 6 we should all combine, guys. But in A set 2, 4 and 8 are new elements, guys. But in B sets 4 and 8 not there, 2, 6 are there, guys. They told in A set what are the new elements that you should write, guys. Here 2, 4, 6, 8 is there. In B set 1, 2, 3, 6 is there, guys. Here 2, 6 are there in B, guys, but 4, 8 is not in B set, guys. So the answer is A minus B equal to 4, 8. Once I will tell the definition, guys. The set consisting of all the elements present in A but not in B. So A minus B equal to 4, 8, guys. This is the last one in operation of sets, guys. That is symmetric difference of two sets, guys. I will tell this definition, guys. So suppose we are taking A and B, then the symmetric difference of two sets will be defined as A minus B and union B minus A, guys. Once I will tell the definition again, guys. Suppose we are taking A and B, then the symmetric difference of two sets will be defined as, suppose we are taking A set and B set, two sets we are taking, guys. The symmetric difference of two sets is, the formula is A minus B union B minus A, guys. This is the formula, guys. For example, A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 guys, B equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. Find symmetric difference means A minus B equal to 4, 8 guys. We know that we did here guys difference of sets. And B minus A means 1, 3 guys. Don't be confused guys, I will tell. B minus A means nothing guys. In B set these all elements are there guys, but in A set also all elements are there. In B set 2, 1 and 3 are new elements guys. 2 and 6 are already there in A and B and A. So 1 and 3 are the new elements. So B minus A equal to 1, 3. A minus B union B minus A means 4, 8 union 1, 3 guys. So 1, 3, 4, 8 is the answer guys. Symmetric difference of two sets is represented as A delta B guys. So the answer is 1, 3, 4, 8. 4, 8, 1, 3 we got guys. We should mix this and 1, 3, 4, 8 is the answer. See guys, I wrote where A delta B symmetric difference is defined like this. This is also an important formula guys. A delta B equal to B delta A. Always A delta B equal to B delta A guys. This is formula, and the another subtopic and the final subtopic in the sets is cardinal properties guys. In this I will tell some formulas guys. Suppose A equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 they given a set guys. N of A equal to 4. We know that number of elements in A equal to 4, and the formula is N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B, or N of A intersection B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N union B. Don't be confused guys. Suppose they ask N A number of elements in A union B, they asked means this is the formula guys. Otherwise they asked N intersection B, the formula is this guys. And the another formula is N of A complement of A equal to N of number of universal elements minus number of your elements in A guys. Suppose they ask number of elements in complement of A equal to number of elements in universal set and minus number of elements in set A guys. Complement of A I told already before guys. If you didn't understood, scroll back and once again see guys. I will tell example of this guys. Example A equal to given set 0, 1, 2 and N of A we know that 3, and number of universal elements in B equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N of universal equal to 5. They gave A set equal to 0, 1, 2 and universal set equal to 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. N of A equal to 3, N of U equal to 5. We should find N of complement of A. N of complement of A equal to, here the formula is there guys, N of U minus N of A. N of U we already know that 5. N of A equal to 3. 5 minus 3, 2 is the answer guys. This is the simplest method. N of complement of A equal to N of U minus N of A. Therefore complement of A equal to 4, 5 guys. How 4, 5 came means in A set 0, 1, 2 is there guys. In universal set 0, 1, 2, 4, 5 is there guys. In A set these 3 elements are there guys. In universal set these 3 are there along with 4, 5. So you should cancel this 3 guys, and 4, 5 is the answer. I told before guys, complement of A. You don't know means scroll back and see guys. So complement of A equal to 4, 5 and number of elements in complement of A equal to 2, because 4 and 5 2 elements are there guys. This is another formula guys. Number of elements in A union B union C equal to N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of A intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C guys. This is not big formula guys. If you understand, this is very small formula. So this is all about sets guys. We will do one problem guys. This is the one problem. They given A equal to 1, 3, 5, 6 guys, and A union B equal to 1, 2, 5, 6, 3, and A intersection B equal to 1 3. They asked number of elements in B, NB, and number of elements in complement of B, NB. Complement of A means A set, guys. Complement of B means B set. That's all. So they gave universal set equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. We should find n of B, complement of B. So this is the formula, guys. Here we wrote n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. They asked n of B, guys. We can find n of B because they gave this value. They gave n union B equal to 5, guys, because 1 2 3 4 5 elements are there, guys, and n of A equal to 1 2 3 4 elements are there, guys, and n of B we should find, and n of intersection of B equal to 1 2, guys, 2 elements. N of B equal to 3, guys. N of complement of B formula is n of U minus n of B, guys. Here we wrote, guys, n of complement of A equal to n of U minus n of B. N of complement of B equal to n of U minus n of B. Just letter we should change, guys. N of complement of B equal to n of U minus n of B. This is a formula, guys. N of complement of B we should find. N of U they gave 1 2 3 4 5 6 elements are there, guys, and n of B now only we find 3 answer, and complement of B number of elements equal to 3, guys. This is the overall explanation of sets, guys. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you want more videos, subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye.